Good morning, good day, good way, illuminators and way showers. This morning's brief galactic light language activation is simply for a burst of energetic color and creative energy within you to allow yourself permission to just be colorful, be alive in color, be with it, express yourself in it in every way that you can, whether it's what you wear, what you draw, what you eat. Just bring color into your life. Feel the frequencies of it. Allow it to engage all of your senses. Allow it to embrace the color within you and allow it to escape you. Ini iti isina na la kaya shonora ila satorokola yama koko sola itia ala kisa sotoroko kaya shalasa nora hasha lisana na kilia toroko sono portoloko yana kalasa sasa sono ko ashoria I hayasana koroa lomora kalasiata kisha ile kentara kalentara kolonko yapora o shono asala isita kolonko ya paisha isania talaki ikayania imoso turuko mayalasia na kia ashayalasi iti iliana iala koya turuko ikoi boshuna itia lo noyaka oishayawa molo haka toto kupo susumo shalaki sina toloko eposa tina sita, feel it come in through you and out through your hands. Inoshoya sania, out through your heart. Atuyasha, out through your voice. Isanite ikiashana kila sanialawa kalasa. Onoko sopalakina nasila katorukua. Alusuna kashawa hasho. Moso torakialaniana. Alakoya alosi. Allow the garden to spring forth within you. Imokoshayalahi anakatia sasalia sanayala. Lianasi, like a masterpiece landscape. Ishonokola kasiya. Allow it to come alive. Ashonokola kiasaniala kalala. With color and energy and life. Ishonokola kayanala. Alakusa somalasi. Your life is a colorful portrait. It is a landscape. Itorokora shaniasa orayana. Ilisiatara kalasi. Somokwa kaliasa. Paint your creation. Inokolakiana. Layasana. Live a colorful life. Inakoikosana talakoha. Mo solo koashahiana kila atare. Sina alakatorokosha. Ni ayesha ala kotorikoboa bokoso palahaniana loso sopolakatia shana kila katarakala ana ala sitarakosha misoyo sona ala kita tianasa tishono kolakatina shola ohasa sinitoloa salaki asano halako Moshonokura alihati nisanaka lisanata shanaki. Shine your brightest light, shine your brightest colors, for your aura is your aura alone. Ikanisha yasana, it is a signature. Isana talakashi, a sonotola that belongs to you and only you. Nishaya, aloko ikansanaki, ilasana. Ishonokoya apohasanati lisataki osho mitanakila kahi alakina onayala haya itashaha sikaya shona alasi itokokwaha otalaha sinoyanala shiakataya anoso makiana Alasiana Salaki, Shahi, Eisonokoela. Misaya, we are here. With you we are one. We Shanikia Saliasana, the light of love. Isanasi, shine your light of love. Inakuya. Now Ishanaha ni We are love and you are love and we are one light. Ina Kayasha. Alakaya. I love you. Namaste. Mahala. Kiasha.